Oh, that's a turntable. So the cars come up here, they block them on that, and turn them around to launch them down into the water. Oh, they got one. I see it. Yeah. Wow, that feels good. Yeah, bask in it. Beautiful blue sky. I see the world. that kind of bird.
I've never seen one before.
I think I saw one
Osprey
once.
eagle. It's actually a hawk.
Oh, it's a kind of a hawk. Okay.
It's a big bird. Likes to fish.
Clearly.
We have bald eagles sometimes come out here.
wow.
Bald eagles will
Oh, I
wait.
would love to see
I
one.
would too. They
You have to
wait
pay
till
extra
you're
for that.
out and then they'll try to take it away from the osprey.
Oh, wow.
We have a real dog fight. 10 minutes.
Wow.
Oh, there's a wedding place, a pavilion. Oh, this is so nice.
Lovely. We just had to do it.
Well, yeah, 'cause we're here.
How many times are we going to actually
We're
do
here
this?
and there are hardly
We're
any
here.
crowds and it's
Yeah,
a
there's
beautiful
no people.
day.
We don't have to wait. It's not raining.
Right.
Well, I wish it would. We haven't seen rain here in a while.
Yeah.
The lake is really low.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
almost 2 feet deep. So, you see somebody down there playing golf, right?
Yeah.
You see the sand trap just coming into view right there?
Yeah.
What's it shaped like?
Mickey Mouse Sand Trap.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
Yes.
Mickey Mouse. I don't even think he even plays golf. Yeah.
And is the restaurant separate from Disney?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Also started, when he went to Disney, he said, okay, I want to start a restaurant, nautical themed restaurant, give rides to these cars. And Disney said no.
Okay. Of course they did.
Yeah.
Because they want to do that.
Probably. But you can't see a commercial, a brochure, a billboard at Disney Springs that doesn't have the cars in it.
Right.
They're the darlings of the spring.
Yes.
So yeah, probably on the whole property, the only 2 restaurants at Disney is Planet Hollywood Observatory. It used to be Planet Hollywood. Planet Hollywood Observatory and the Hangar Club.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah. All the others are third party.
So now is it Disney owned property and like everyone pays rent? Are they not doing any of the water taxis to and from the hotels?
Not on this one.
Wow.
I think they are on Magic Kingdom and
Disney's like, don't spend your money at places that are not Disney.
well, they haven't opened all the resorts.
Oh.
You made it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That was wonderful.
Well piloted.
Yeah, I haven't lost anybody yet today. Last week was not good.
I like getting all the information.
Oh, you're welcome. We're a wealth of superfluous, worthless information. Oh boy.
I'm joking that people maybe.
Somebody's got a fire alarm going off.
He was pretending that, like...
And I was out on the water with witnesses, not my fault.
Yes.
Pointed at me.
Pointed at you.
Yeah. Well, and hope that I don't fall on my face.
Why? We'd take a video and put it on YouTube. It'd be awesome.